So this is an Indian smartwatch, Titan Smart Pro. Now it has AMOLED display, 14-day battery life, inbuilt GPS, compass, heart rate, temperature monitoring. Whoa, lots of stuff to check. Anyways, this is the box. Oh, you slide it out this way and yeah, this is the watch. You have the straps separate over here and then you have a certificate of warranty. Oh, and you get a card. Oh, where you can write the model number, build date. Nice. This is just like when you buy a real watch. And you also get this magnetic proprietary charger. Now, there are 4 things I like having in a smartwatch, and we'll start in descending order. Number 4, the design of the watch. The watch should look good and should be durable, else what is the point of a smartwatch? So it's a round dial, you have removable straps, and one interesting thing is I like this buckle strap mechanism. It's very convenient, and this has a metal buckle. Now we have a few smartwatches in the office which have a plastic buckle and it breaks after some time. So you have to buy an entire new strap just for the buckle. So this is far more durable, it's metal. Even the frame is metal. Good. And I have a medium sized wrist, so it's good. Ideal size, now for girls, it is small so it should fit, but we don't have a girl wrist here, so sorry about that. Also, you get a 390 by 390 AMOLED display with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection, which is really good. The display has good colors and you see a bit of bezels, but if you keep a black watch face, you won't notice. The display is sharp and in direct sunlight, it is bright enough so you won't have a problem outdoors. Number 3 is smartwatch features. Like the UI is simple and good here. You swipe up for quick settings, flash, D&D, etc. Flash, and you swipe down for notifications, basic. Remember, you can only read and view notifications, cannot reply to them. Manu, can you call me? Sure. So you can only reject calls. They could have provided message replies while rejecting calls. A lot of watches in this range do it. It should have been there. And then you can keep swiping sideways for widgets. You will get steps, weather, heart rate, body temperature. Interesting. We'll check it. Then this button gives you menu, which is fluid, not bad. The entire menu, if you see, is very fluid, fast. Performance shouldn't be an issue on the watch. And then this extra button for quick workout. And you have 10 plus workouts, running, walking, swimming. Nice. In my opinion, 10 plus workouts is enough because later companies start putting cricket, badminton, kho-kho and whatnot. You can long press the watch face to switch between watch faces. It's smooth. Number 2 for me is heart rate and SpO2 accuracy. See, I've had COVID before and a lot of people use these days the smartwatches or a fitness band to measure SpO2 and heart rate. So I tested the SpO2 on the watch and you can see it's around 99% and mostly it is above 95%, which is how it should be. However, this is not a medical device and in emergency you should consult your doctor. And we'll also do our table test. Let me tell you a secret. This table has a heart rate and it beats. If you have no idea, watch this video. And if you see, the Titan smartwatch doesn't take heart rate for the table, so that's a pass. Oh, let's try it with the bottle. Okay, it's cool. It doesn't take SpO2 of the bottle as well. Now, the smartwatch is smart. See, every surface like this or anything can absorb light and give you a mathematical value. But a smartwatch should be smart enough to know whether it's a human skin or a bottle or just this table or non-living objects. Now you also have body temperature, which is interesting, and it does that body temperature 24/7. Mine, if you see, is minimum 36.2 and maximum is 36.6. And I actually left the watch on the table, so see, in this period it has no detection, so it's smart enough. Good. Now number 1 is the smartwatch app. Like most of the features and data you can see in the smartwatch app. So smartwatch app for me is like very important. Like here, if you see, I want to see my sleep data. It's in the app and it's accurate. I slept at around 1 AM and got up at 9:19. So sleep tracking is accurate. Now you have to tap on the profile and then you have to go to the settings. And here is all reminder, water reminder, hand wash reminder. So the settings and features are not very easy to figure out in the app. You also get a lot of watch faces, around 100 plus, and these are basic. And if I apply them, oh, it's fast enough. now the battery backup is about 14 days. I started off at 100%
and now it is about 80%, so 20% in just a heavy day.
So the Titan Smart Pro is really good. Now we are not sure of the price of the watch as of making this video, but we'll update the description once we find out. So we got an update on the pricing. It's 11,995. See, smartwatches are now a fusion between fashion and tech. So these famous watch companies are now slowly moving from fashion to tech. The last Titan smartwatch was about 9,000 and it had a TFT display plus not a lot of features. And this Titan Watch Pro seems to be good comparatively to the older one. I've told you what's in the watch and what's not. It's just an overview. On that note, this is Prateek. If you have a budget of 5,000, these are some good smartwatches and I'll see you pretty soon. Pew pew.